Hello everyone. Let us recall volume. Volume is the measure of how much space a 3D object occupies. Think of it as the amount of stuff you could fit inside a 3D shape, like water in a bottle, air in a balloon, or sand in a bucket. Now this is a sphere. Its volume is how much space is there inside it. For example, if we want to fill it with water, how much water can it occupy? That will give its volume, which is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Now, if you think about a hemisphere, which is literally half a sphere, its volume or the amount of space it occupies will be exactly half of volume of sphere. So half of 4 by 3 pi r cube is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, volume of a hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r is once again the radius of the hemisphere. Let us look at one example. It says, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 4.9 centimeter hold? Now we know that the amount of milk it can hold is given by its volume. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. We need to find r first. If diameter is 4.9 centimeter, radius is half of diameter, that is 4.9 divided by 2. Let's put in the values. So 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into 4.9 by 2 cube, right? Now, can we write it as 49 by 20? So let's write it like this. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 49 by 20 multiplied to itself 3 times. Now we can cancel this out. This 7 into 7 is 49. We can further do this cancellation. And upon further simplification and cancellation, we get that volume of hemisphere is 308.128 centimeter cube.